Hey everybody, welcome to Kitchen Journeys with Lori. Today we're going to make roast turkey. So in my foodie I put 1 cup of water, 2 tablespoons of salt, an onion that's been cut into smaller pieces, and I've smashed 3 garlic cloves. Okay, I opened up my package and I pulled out my turkey breast and I put it in my air fryer pan, and I put it in the foodie, and I had to rearrange the onions a little bit so that I could make sure that the lid went on. So now I'm going to put the pressure cooker lid on. Okay, so I have let it cook and now it's natural released for 5, and I'm going to release the... You will notice that there's strings holding this breast together, and I'm going to remove that, and then I'm going to lightly brush it with olive oil, and I'm going to salt and pepper it and put it back in the air fryer for 15 minutes.